So I'm Vanessa in the middle of Times Square, wondering what attracts everyone to all this chaos. And I ran into this handsome fella here.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Deb.
Hi, Deb.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Jersey, Plainsboro.
New Jersey. Which now?
Plainsboro.
Plainsboro. Welcome, welcome. So look, tell me what you can say to our world out there with all the I'll say craziness going on right now to inspire them.
I would say find your passion, find your inspiration, and be happy with it. And
Yes.
don't overthink too much because I think my generation uh, overthinks about everything too much. And I would say don't ever overthink about things, just do it. Just
Wonderful.
do it.
Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You
Enjoy
too.
it, handsome. Thank you.